Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to School of Gold. Today, we're going to work out a real life problem. Now, can you imagine if your parents are builders, and if you would like to be a builder when you grow up, you have to understand how it all works. So, on the board behind me is a real life problem. Now, it's winter now in Australia, but can you imagine only in a few more months' time, it is going to be warm and you would like to jump into your backyard swimming pool. But at the moment, it is all grass. How do we work out the area if we want to grass around the pool area in the middle of your backyard? Now, let's have a look at the question. I will read it out to you just in case you can't read it. Are you ready? This is your backyard. It is 24 meters length and 16 meters wide. 24 meters length, 16 meters wide. And if you see this here, this is my drawing of a pool, and it's nice and blue as well. The key, very important to your question. The pool is half the length and half the width of your backyard. Now, half of 24 is 12 meters. That's a nice sized pool. Half of 16 is 8 meters in width. That gives you about 4 or 5 lanes in your pool. That's a decent sized pool. Now, the first question. If it cost $2.50 per square meter to grass around the pool, how expensive will it be? Now, what do you have to work out first? You have to work out first the total area of your grass area in your backyard. Now, how you work out? You know area, length times width. So, 24 times 16. Let's go to my trusty calculator on my iPad. Now, if you don't have a calculator, you will need to work it out in double-digit multiplication. So, 24 times 16 equals. Now, if you are working it out right now, pause the computer, pause the iPad, and work it out. I'll give you thinking music. But you wouldn't have heard that if you pressed pause. 24 times 16 is 384. 384 meters. Now, what we need to do is minus the area of the pool. Pause. Remember, 12 times 8. Half the width and half the length. 12 times 8 is, 96. So, 384 minus 96, which equals to 288 square meters, is the grass area around the pool. But that's not what the question's asking you. The question's asking you if it costs $2.50 per square meter around the pool. So what you need to do is 288 times $2.50. Now, pause your computer, pause the iPad, and try to work it out. How I would work it out without a calculator is 288 times 25. Now, I would have taken the 0 away and remember how many decimal points there were. So I would actually work it out as 288 times 25, put the 0 back at the end, and then put 2 decimal points back, and that will give you the same answer as $720. Now, that's for the first answer. Second answer, if the pool is 4 meters deep, what will the volume be of the pool? Volume, length times width times height. Good, length times width times height. So, the pool is 12 meters times 8 meters times 4 meters. Let's go back to the calculator. 12 times 8 times 4, which equals to 384 square cubic meters. Not squared, cubic meters. And that, my friends, is a real life example of what builders and architects do in a house. So, if you live in a house, think about this. Do you want a pool in your backyard? I hope you do. Boys and girls, bye for now.